Good day, year ones. Welcome back. Get your English activity pack out and start with this quiz over here. Okay, I will read the instructions to you. So, read the words below, okay? And look at the pictures and write each word under the correct picture. Okay, so you've got cane, cake, cape, face, mail, game, tape, safe, case, rake, sail, lake. Okay, just write the word below the picture. That's what you have to do for this activity. So if this was a car, you would write car, but this is not a car. Okay? So you write what you see from the list above. Then right below, you circle all the pictures that have the A sound, okay? So we hear A because of the magic E. Okay, that's all you have to do for this quiz. Moving on to your maths. So, for Friday's maths year one, all you have to do is subtract, okay? We start from the back and we move to the front. So you'll subtract 3 minus 1 and you write your answer over there. 3 minus 1 and you write your answer over there. Then we move on. Always remember we start from the back, moving to the front. 5 take away 3, 2 take away 1, and you write your answer in there. Then, here, I've got some information I'd like you to learn, year one. I would roughly go through it. So, in 1 year, we have 365 days, okay? In one whole calendar year, we've also got 12 months in a year. That means January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. That is 12 months, year one. So we've got 12 months in a year, okay? And we've got 7 days in a week. But a school week is only 5 days, okay? In one day, we've got 24 hours, okay? And we've got 60 minutes in 1 hour. We've got 60 seconds in 1 minute. And when you look at the screen here, Johan, we've got some abbreviations, okay? That's just when we use a letter or a few letters from a word, okay, to represent the whole word. So we've got H for hour, min for minute, sec for seconds, okay? And last but not least, we've got a clock with 2 hands. Okay, the long hand tells you how many minutes, and the short hand tells you how many hours. Okay, so we've got 7 days in a week. We've got 52 weeks. We've got 12 months and 365 days in a year. Okay, here once in 1 month, we've got 30 days, sometimes 31. February would have either 28, okay, days, or every 4th year it will have 29 days. We've got 4 weeks in 1 month. Sometimes it's 5 weeks. Okay. That is the end of your maths. Let's move on to your science. Okay. So for today's science year one, you are supposed to make a poster showing your friends how to stay safe with electricity. Okay. There are very important things that you have to note. When you're dealing with electricity, you need to be very careful. Okay, you need to take care because electricity can be dangerous, it can be harmful. So we never use a damaged wire, okay? And we never put anything other than a plug into a wall socket. So it is very important here once that you do remember not to use electricity near water because electricity can move through water. So it's very important that you never touch anything that uses mains electricity with wet hands. You never use mains electricity near water, okay? It is very, very important that you remember that, okay? When dealing with electricity, we want to make sure that all cables are covered, okay? We want to make sure that our hands are nice and dry and that there is no water close to the outlets, okay? Or close to the sockets or close to the plugs. Okay, that means this is the end of your activities for the week, okay? You will get your new activity packs on Monday. Have a great weekend, dear ones.